Imagine a tidal wave is coming, an enormous opportunity that could change everything for you. Are you scrambling to build your boat right then? Or are you already sailing, prepared for anything the ocean throws your way? We're not just talking about surviving, we're talking about thriving. This isn't about luck, it's about making your own luck, about recognizing that the best time to prepare for any opportunity that comes knocking, be it a dream job, launching your own venture, or stepping into a huge new role, isn't when it arrives. It's long before. Today, we're diving deep into a philosophy that can fundamentally reshape your career and your life. The profound power of quietly building your skills before you ever even need them. We're going to uncover why this isn't just a smart move, but a game-changing strategy that turns you into the confident, ready for anything individual who can seize every moment with unwavering self-assurance. At its heart, this idea, build skills before you need them, is pure wisdom. It's a powerful truth for anyone who wants to grow, professionally and personally. Think of it as planting seeds long before you expect to harvest the fruit. It's about taking a proactive approach to your development, urging you to prepare for what might come, rather than simply reacting when it does. It's about anticipating future needs, looking ahead at the landscape of your industry, your dream career, or even just your personal goals, and cultivating a robust skill set that isn't just good enough for today, but future-proofed for tomorrow. True success, the kind that feels solid and earned, is always built upon a rock-solid foundation of preparedness. Many people fall into the trap of what I call reactive learning. They wait until the big promotion is announced, or a new technology disrupts their field, or a sudden opportunity appears, and then they scramble. They're suddenly trying to learn a new software in a weekend, cramming for an interview the night before, or Googling how to start a business, only after the brilliant idea strikes. This scrambling strategy almost always leaves you feeling like you're trying to catch up, running on a treadmill, never quite getting ahead. You're learning under pressure, often just enough to get by, but rarely enough to truly excel or to feel genuinely confident. But the proactive individuals, the ones who consistently soar, they understand something fundamental. Opportunities often arise without warning. They don't send you an email a month in advance. They just happen. And in those crucial moments, the person who has dedicated time and energy to skill development beforehand isn't just ready, they're unstoppable. They become the confident candidate who walks into an interview knowing they've done the reps. They're the entrepreneur who launches their business with a toolkit already honed. They're the professional who seamlessly steps into a new, challenging role because they've already built the mental and practical muscles required. They don't just seize the moment, they command it. So, let's talk about the key advantages of this preemptive skill-building approach, because they are profound and transformative. First, this strategy allows for focused and deliberate learning. Imagine trying to learn a new language while simultaneously preparing for a major presentation in that language tomorrow. Stressful, right? When you build skills before the immediate need hits, you gain the incredible luxury of time. This freedom from urgent deadlines and crushing pressure enables a much more focused learning process. You're not just memorizing, you're understanding. You can explore different avenues, try various methods, and truly experiment with new techniques without the fear of messing up a critical project. You get to master your craft at a natural, sustainable pace, digging deep into the nuances. This leads to a much deeper understanding and knowledge acquisition, because your brain isn't operating in panic mode. The result? A more authentic, ingrained skill set that feels like a part of you, not just something you crammed. This contrasts sharply with the superficial learning that happens under urgent circumstances, where you often forget half of what you learned the moment the pressure is off. You're building a skyscraper from the ground up, brick by brick, rather than trying to patch up a crumbling shack during a storm. Second, and this is massive, preemptive skill building cultivates incredible confidence and self-assurance. Think about it. That quiet dedication, those hours you spend honing your abilities, researching, practicing, failing, and trying again. It all creates a deep-seated sense of mastery. You don't just think you can do something, you know you can. This mastery translates directly into an almost unshakable self-assurance. When challenges arise, you approach them not with fear, but with a proactive, "I've got this" mindset. This dramatically reduces the likelihood of being crippled by self-doubt, that nasty inner voice that tells you you're not good enough. Let me tell you, confidence is palpable. It's something people can feel. When you walk into an interview, or stand before potential investors for a business pitch, or lead a team meeting, your quiet preparation shines through. It's not arrogance, it's a calm certainty that you are capable. This allows you to perform stronger in new roles and responsibilities, not just meeting expectations, but exceeding them. You're not faking it until you make it. You've genuinely made it through dedicated effort. You step onto any stage, whether literally or metaphorically, ready to shine, ready to demonstrate your true potential, because you've already invested in it. You know you're bringing a fully charged battery to the game, not one that's barely clinging to life. And finally, this approach promotes adaptability and resilience, two non-negotiable qualities in our rapidly evolving world. The only constant, as they say, is change. Skills that are vital today might be obsolete tomorrow. But by building a habit of proactive learning, you're not just acquiring specific skills, you're fostering a lifelong learning attitude. You become someone who is always curious, always growing, always open to acquiring new knowledge. This continuous acquisition of new knowledge isn't just about staying relevant, it makes you incredibly resilient. Think of it like this. If you only know how to sail one kind of boat in one kind of weather, you're in trouble when the climate shifts. But if you've proactively learned about different vessels, navigation techniques, and weather patterns, you become adaptable. You're not just surviving the storms, you're learning to sail through them, maybe even harness their energy. This makes you less vulnerable to economic downturns, technological shifts, or sudden industry changes. You become a problem solver, a quick study, someone who can pivot and thrive no matter what new circumstances life throws your way. You are building a fortress, not a tent, for your career and your life. So, how do you start building this fortress? It begins with a clear vision. What skills will be valuable in your field in the next 3 to 5 years? What role do you aspire to that you're not fully qualified for yet? What knowledge gaps are holding you back from your next big leap? Start small. Dedicate an hour a day, or even just a few hours a week, to deliberate practice. Take an online course. Read industry books. Find a mentor. Experiment with new tools. The key is consistency and intentionality. Don't wait for an urgent need to light a fire under you. Ignite your own fire right now, quietly, steadily, powerfully. Because when that grand opportunity finally arrives, you won't be scrambling. You'll be confidently stepping forward, ready to claim it. If you're ready to stop scrambling and start soaring, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more strategies that will empower your journey.